Hey guys, it's me, Rainbow Star Productions here, and I'm in Idaho right now. I was just in Utah just yesterday, and this is the first time alone. And we're about to go towards Yellowstone. Then we'll go see Old Faithful, the geyser. So, yeah. Right now there's just a forest. It's like we're going past forests over there. It rains here most of the time and snows, and I just saw a rainbow yesterday.